So here's how to fix Vanguard Van81 error in League of Legends. So first you want to open the task manager and make sure to close down League of Legends if it's running, or Riot client, or also Vanguard. If it's already running, right click on it and end task for all the instances or processes running. Next you want to go to startup apps, and in here we want to search for VG tray, which is like this, vgtray or vgtray.exe. Now if you see an app entry in here, make sure the status is enabled. So in this row right here, if you see it as disabled, you want to right click on it and click enable or enable. Now you can go to services, and in here you want to search for VGC all lowercase like this. If you don't see it in here, you can simply click on open services and look for it in here. Now if the status is not running, if you don't see running status in this tab for VGC, double click on VGC and set the startup type to automatic, and then click on start if the service is already stopped. Now you can click on apply and OK, and now you can simply close this. You can also right click on Windows logo, click on run, and in here type msconfig, press OK. Now come to the services and search for VGC in here, all lowercase. Now if you find it, make sure it's checked. The checkbox next to it is blue like this, checked, and then you can simply press apply and OK. Now you want to run the CMD by right clicking on Windows logo and run terminal as admin for Windows 11 or CMD for Windows 10. Search and run as admin, it's pretty much the same. Now in here you want to run the following commands: sc space delete space vgk, press enter. Next sc space delete space vgc, and then press enter. Now you can simply close this. Now you want to open the file explorer and then go to the C drive, and in here you want to go to program files and look for Riot Vanguard folder. Now if you see a Riot Vanguard folder in here, right click on it and click delete, and you can go back and go to the program files 86 and do the same, look for Riot Vanguard in here. Now if you find a folder called Riot Vanguard, right click on it and delete it. Next you can close this, and next you want to open the Riot client again and go to the league section. First you want to click on your the account logo on the right top here, and then go to settings, and then select League of Legends, and then click on the repair button to repair the game. Next you want to close this, and then click on play or update the game in here, and it will prompt you to install Vanguard again. Next what you can do is reboot your PC before playing League of Legends, and now once you reboot your PC you should be able to launch and play the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.